name is Stuti and I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of CMAT Verse powered by CH Edgemakers. This is our new baby, the CMAT Verse, the most lovable one right now. Alright, so I am here to discuss about your preparation for CMAT. Right, you might be preparing for CMAT, you might have prepared for CMAT, preparation ho gayi, now what? Right, so mock tests are really important. Once you attempt the mock test, the test series, or number of mock tests, what are the benefits? Number one, you analyze your strong and weaker areas. There's a comprehensive coverage of the syllabus of the curriculum which you get to know in the mock test. Right, you get very familiar with the exam pattern, which is very important because CMAT wale din, exam wale din hame shock nahi chahiye. Correct. So you get familiar with the exam pattern. So you need to attend number of mock tests. Right, you get to learn to manage time and decide your examination strategy. Correct, because you have already practiced number of mocks, right? It improves your accuracy, it's a best assessment of your preparation, and it diverses the test formats. You get to get in touch with the diversified test formats, and that's why it's very important that आप mock test attempt करें. Number of mock test attempt करें. अब question ये आता है that do we take the paid test series or do we take the free test series, etc. We have the option for all of them. Right? We have the option for the paid test series as well as the free test series. अब देखिए, when I talk to you about the options, so अगर free test series होता है और paid test series होता है, obviously there are differences, correct? But here at CMAT Verse, in free test series also, we are giving you a lot of features. But as I said, difference तो होता ही है, so I'm just taking you towards our test series, जहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं that free में और paid में आपको क्या-क्या differences मिल रहे हैं. So our free test series is termed as Starlight. Our paid test series are termed as Supernova and Galaxy. ये सारे फीचर्स हैं जो अवेलेबल हैं, जो कुछ टेस्ट सीरीज में मिल रहे हैं आपको फ्री में और कुछ में पे करने के बाद मिल रहे हैं. राइट, लेट मी गो टू ईच फीचर वन बाय वन सो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड. नंबर ऑफ मॉक टेस्ट. फ्री टेस्ट सीरीज में आपको नंबर ऑफ मॉक CMAT जस्ट 1 इन नंबर रहेगा. राइट, एंड एज आई सेड एट द बिगनिंग ऑफ द वीडियो दैट मॉक टेस्ट आपको जितने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं, इट्स ऑलवेज बेनिफिशियल फॉर अस. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट मेक्स यू एंड इट हेल्प्स यू एनालाइज योर परफॉर्मेंस इन द बेस्ट मैनर. टाइम मैनेजमेंट, एग्जाम स्ट्रैटेजी बहुत अच्छे से हो पाती है. राइट, सेक्शनल मॉक टेस्ट. व्हेन आई से सेक्शनल मॉक टेस्ट क्या होता है दैट सारे सेक्शंस आपको एक साथ नहीं मिलके सेक्शन वाइज आपको टेस्ट मिलते हैं. राइट, सो विच सेक्शन और उस सेक्शन के कौन से टॉपिक पे यू आर वीक, यू आर स्ट्रॉन्ग, राइट, यू गेट टू नो दैट एज वेल. Then we have CUET PG के mocks भी we have Starlight package में, that is free package में we have one. In paid package Supernova, which is called the launch offer, the launch price is INR 499 and the launch price for Galaxy is rupees 799. Right, this is the launch offer. So I would, after you watch the video and after you decide which one to buy, I would recommend you to buy it today itself. Right, because the prices will change. This is just the launch offer, which probably you'll not get anywhere else, by the way. Right, pre-recorded videos in Starlight package. In a free package we give you 10 pre-recorded videos, whereas in Supernova and Galaxy we give you more than 200 pre-recorded videos. Those pre-recorded videos will be the videos recorded on the concepts, various concepts which are the part of the MBA entrance level exam, specifically CMAT. Right, okay, you also get some ebooks, right, the PDFs, you also get some ebooks, all the sections ke, but those are not available in our free package. Now let's understand. It's not just the mock test you are getting in test series, right? It's not just that. You are getting many other things also in the test series. So मतलब test series में ऐसा नहीं है, and it's only we who are providing you with this, right? So when people tell you that they have test series for you, they will only give you the mock test. It's only we Because we are the India's first online platform for CMAT test series, we are the only one who are providing you with other things also along with test series. I mean the test, mock test, right? So you do not get the ebooks in the free package, and ebooks are really important. Let me tell you why. Because आपके पास mock test है, mock test के पहले आपने concepts भी study कर लिए. Ebooks में there are various concepts explained in a very very simplified manner, right? वो मतलब वो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको book पढ़कर और फिर time देना पड़ रहा है और समझना पड़ रहा है, right? These are explained in a very very simplified manner, and that is why ebooks are important. ठीक है? But you're not getting it in free package, right? You will be getting this in both Supernova also and Galaxy also. Then there are other things which are included in every free test series also, and paid test series also are entrepreneurship ke notes, innovation, entrepreneurship terminology, innovation terminology, college guidance and form filling support. These are the parts which you're getting in all the test series, right? The free one and the paid one. Okay. Then कुछ very very important चीज़ें जो हैं, ये interview support, email support और chat support. Interview support मतलब after, well, you know, when you want to go for the interview कैसे देना है, कौन से questions पूछ सकते हैं, how to answer those questions, correct? And let me tell you, the Google auntie is not going to tell you all these, okay? क्यों? क्योंकि वहाँ पर सबके लिए same answers होंगे ना. Anybody who searches for this would have the same answer, right? And interviewers will know that your answer is Googled, right? अगर आप चैट जीपीटी से भी निकालेंगे तो भी इंटरव्यूअर को पता होगा that ये चैट जीपीटी का आंसर लर्न करके बच्चा बोल रहा है. Correct? So let's not take that chance, right? Interview support में we will be providing you with the types of questions which are asked in interview, how to answer those questions, right? What can be asked, what not to do in the interview. So a full guide will be provided to you for the interview, right? I mean, once you are with us, we will make sure that you crack the interview, right? That is important. All right, so interview support रहेगा, email support इसमें नहीं रहेगा free package में. It would be there in the paid packages. Supernova और Galaxy दोनों में रहेगा email support. Email support में like anywhere, anytime you face a problem, you can always contact us 24/7. Chat support will again be the same, but it is not there in one of the paid packages also. It is there in the Supernova Galaxy package, which is cost at ₹799. I am repeating, which is a launch offer. Alright, अब मैं आती हूँ एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा frank opinion, frank recommendation with no biasness. So if you are somebody who's preparing for CMAT 2025, ठीक है, preparation हो गई या कर रहे हैं, right? I would recommend you to start with Supernova package. See, frankly, I am sure you're not getting this at this price and with all these features anywhere in India. That is for sure 100%. ठीक है? So let's start with Supernova. Once you are done with this, probably, right, आपने दे दी CMAT, उसके बाद भी आप ये पैकेज बाय कर सकते हो. You can obviously upgrade your package. Then you move to the Galaxy package. क्यों Galaxy package? क्योंकि इसमें ये सब चीज़ें आएंगी ना जो मैंने बताई, चैट सपोर्ट, ईमेल, इंटरव्यू, वो इसमें भी आएगा सुपरनोवा में. बट बाकी सब चीज़ें भी, ये चैट सपोर्ट यू आर नॉट गेटिंग इन सुपरनोवा, राइट, बट यू आर गेटिंग इन गैलेक्सी. सो ऑल दीज support will also be there, right? So at present what you can start with is the paid package Supernova, right? Now इसके लिए I hope you have watched our video जहाँ पर मैंने detailed analysis करके और detail में पूरा बताया है कि आपको कैसे buy करना है, how to register. It's very user friendly. It's very user friendly. Gen Z, right? Gen Z को सब पता होता है, right? So एक click पे you will be guided and move towards the next thing, right? So it's a very user friendly website. आपको just click करके और आप register कर लेंगे, login credentials मिल जाएंगे, login कर लेंगे and buy करके the things will be in front of you. Correct? So do not waste time. My personal recommendation, do buy it right now after you complete watching the video. And in case if you feel that buy करने से पहले कुछ question है, query hai, you always have our contact number for that. And apart from that, you can always drop drop your comments in the comments section below, and we are going to answer right there. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for various latest notifications and updates. I'll see you soon.